A platform where you can do freelancing is Fiverr.com. In this platform, to sell something or to do a gig, you hover to selling and then choose gigs. Then here you create a new gig, you fill up the gig title, then you do it until you reach the publish, then save and continue. So here, this one is different from Upwork since it's more of the client will approach you or will select your gig once it is chosen. The client will be the one to approach you, but there in Upwork you will be the one to approach the client. Another platform I'm eyeing on is this freeapp.com. Can apply as freelancer, but I think your Mbps must be 3 Mbps to be approved. This is what you will do. Click apply as a freelancer, and then start. Fill up the questions until you reach the apply button or submit button, and once your application is approved, someone will contact you from Freeup. But in my case, my application was not yet approved because my internet connection is less than 3 Mbps. Another freelancing platform is this myoutdesk.com. You just click this apply now for online job, and in this myoutdesk you need 3 Mbps for a working internet connection, and then your application is also approved by steps from here. Click apply now for online job, and here are the virtual professional jobs you're going to choose from. There is the general admin VP full-time, the marketing VP full-time, and the appointment setter full-time. The pay is here, and if you want to apply for one position, you can click on the buttons below. The minimum qualification for internet connection that will be used is 3 Mbps. Another platform I've registered to is golance.com, and you simply sign up to become a freelancer. This is similar to Upwork when you are applying for jobs, so they have the same platform. I think this is based on Upwork, but they have not much jobs. Next is 199jobs.com. I think this is a Filipino site, and it works like Fiverr.com. Next is hubstuff.com. This is a free platform too. You need to sign up to become a freelancer, but clients will look over your profile and select you. I was not yet selected in this platform. Now to join, you will click sign in and then join Hubstuff for free, and then sign up here to create an account. You need a complete profile to be selected by a client. Another platform I will discuss about is 99designs.com. Here you need to bid on a project so that you can be selected. This is more on creative freelancing, and once the client selects your entry, you can win $200 or lower or more. The last platform I am tackling is Upwork.com. This is where I work. First, I will show you my profile, and here is my profile. Have $10 per hour hourly rate, $8,000 total earned, and 57 jobs and 1,600 hours worked. And here are my work history and feedback. Now to apply for jobs, you can go to find work and click on find work. You can click on advanced search so that you can filter the payment verified and the ones that are payment and verified. Now we click on one payment verified job. Here it is. It is a $35 job, and it is intermediate level. Actually, this is a so low price job. So you can click submit a proposal, and then here you can place your bid. and it has an Upwork service fee of $7. You can draft your cover letter here, and then there are sometimes follow-up questions, and then you click submit a proposal, and then you're done.